So what is money mindset? Money mindset is an attitude. Attitudes are the mirrors of the mind. They reflect our thinking. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. Your mindset becomes your reality. And what you think about, you become. Become the change you want to see in the world. And the world starts to change around you. Just like nature, it takes time. Anything of value takes time to grow. You can't rush the oak tree out of the acorn, just like you can't rush the penny out of the pound coin. Nature has patience that good things will come. It's a courage to take action. It's a belief that things can be better. If you want the fruits, you need the roots. As above, so below. As below, so above. We become what we think about most of the time. When we have a growth mindset of constant improvement, we can achieve more than we can ever previously believed. That we can believe that we can evolve or get better through time by forging a path every day and every moment that we breathe. That gets us closer to our purpose or our essence of who we are and all that we can be. Capacity, or how much we think we can achieve, is a state of mind. When you believe you can do more, your mind thinks creatively and shows you the way. Look at things not as they are, but as they could be. Visualization adds value to everything. Good money mindset visualizes what we can do and what we can get done in the future. It's not stuck in the present or scared of the past. There are two ways of looking at the world, a fixed mindset or a growth mindset. A fixed mindset or a limited point of view means that we are born the way we are and there is no way of changing us. Whereas a growth mindset describes the opposite. It's a mindset with which we can learn, grow and change. It's an attitude of nothing resting, everything moving, everything vibrating, and everything being in motion. Things can be better, we can improve, and we can contribute to others' growth. Through experience and education, we can learn new things and improve our lives. The rules have changed. With these different times, we need different minds. There is a rhyme to both reason and unreason. There is also a rhythm, like a tide that everything flows in and out. There is a sinking and rising. Everything changes and nothing remains still. Like the flowing river, you can't step into the same river twice. With all life, things are born, they grow, and then they die, only to be reborn. In this chaos lurks order, and in this deeper order lurks more chaos. Great ideas are forged in chaotic times. These ideas come with the right mindset. Max Weber, the sociologist, believed the rise of capitalism in the 17th century was not due to the technology, but was due to the change in the spirit or a new attitude rising out of the people's thoughts and beliefs, rather than the new technology, machinery, or how people worked. For a change to our current system and a post-capitalism movement to take place where businesses focus on purpose and happiness rather than just profits, we need a new attitude or mindset. We need to create a conscious ecological model that balances the whole of the planet. We often think that labour or work is exclusively to humans, and when we watch a bee and the work in which the construction of their hive is created, it could shame many human architects today. What distinguishes the worst architecture from the bees and the spiders is that even the worst weavers or architects can create the image in their mind first. We humans are conscious and we can decide in this moment on the choice of action to take. We decide on how we affect the universe in each moment we live. Let's work for a new world, a better world, a decent world where it allows people to do work they love, that gives youth a future and old age security. Today, you need to be responsible for the decisions and the choices that you make. Today, we have more information and knowledge than ever before. Today, we need to imagine a better future. The rules have changed. Today, you need to be proactive and make the tough decisions about your future and your future self. The normal consciousness in which we experience life does not give us a reliable picture of the world. This normal consciousness is kind of like a sleep. It creates an illusion of separation, going through the day on autopilot, half asleep and out of control of yourself, rather than being alive and feeling connected. We need to wake from our slumber, wake to the fact of injustice of business, that are only in business for profit and not purpose. Wake up to our loss of connection with nature and the environmental catastrophes which we are facing. Wake up to the inequality and injustice many people face on a day-to-day basis. Wake up from the disconnection from Wall Street and Main Street, from the City of London to across the towns and villages across the United Kingdom. Understand that if humans don't change our ways, that nature will continue and we humans will be extinct. Buy the book Millennial Money Mindset. If you want the fruits, you need the roots. It's the 5-step method to getting money mindset, getting more money into your pocket, more time in your day, and less stress in your life. Get your copy today. You can pick it up on Amazon in print, Kindle, or Audible version. We also give away some free training with every book bought, which is automating your finances to get more me time, so you have more time to do the things that you love with your day. Get your copy today.
Money Mindset.
I think that sounds alright.